Okay, so I don't know if y'all gonna hear this or not. Maybe not. But I'm walking in to work right now. Literally like about to step in. And basically I just wanted to be like what y'all about to see is like the process of the Joker shoes and some behind the scenes of the Jason, Friday the 13th versus Micheal Air Force mids that I did this past week. So y'all gonna see that, and because basically that's what I'm doing with footage that I haven't been able to make into like a full video or record, just mash it up, and y'all can see like during the process stuff you probably seen if I dropped on Instagram and shit. So yeah, watch that, enjoy that, or whatever. Comment below, like, subscribe, do what you want to do. Yeah, and we'll see how the day goes. I got a whole lot of shit coming 2020. It's gonna be dope. So y'all enjoy y'all day. Happy holidays. And yeah, we out.
What song with a message?
Well, like evil destruction and things like that.
Do I prefer that to what?
I don't know, but your songs are supposed to have a subtle message.
Subtle message?
Well, they're supposed to.
Where'd you hear that?
Eyes wide to the shine of the star. And vitamin D. And vitamin D, I'm too high for this weed. Take a look at the world.
You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Shut up. These are insane. What? Wow, I'm shook. Oh, he's gonna be so excited. Shut up. Wow. Oh, these are insane.
I think he'll like them.
I think so. Wow, thank you.
No problem, no problem.
Oh my God. Let me see.
The message is hard.
Let me see. Oh, fuck yeah.
That's just sweet.
It's a damn shame.
Oh, that's dope as fuck. Hell yeah.
Those are hand painted?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, he's a beast.
Yeah, they
Thank
are.
you.
Let me see. Hold on. Let me see one right here. Damn, boy.
It's got your name on that one, I think it is. Yeah, on the back of it.
Killer King.
Ugh.
You like them?
Yeah, this is dope. Appreciate it, bruh.